Okay, so I've had the hiccups ever since we left Wings and Things. And Nick doesn't believe me that they're real. Like I'm making up a hiccup. It's not fake, babe. It's so real. Like, it's making me cry. And when I laugh, I also hiccup. So.
That's fake. That one was fake.
This is the thing. I need it to go away. Like, make it go away.
Yeah.
See, there was another one. Nobody believes me.
I do.
No, come on.
That's another one.
She brings up all that back to your face. That's fake. Oh.
I cannot control my hiccups. I had another one just at the end of can't control my hiccups.
Yeah, it's kind of soft.
Okay, let's just quiet and wait.
So this will be good.
I'll send this to you so you can watch it at work tomorrow.
That'd be fantastic. Oh.
See? That was a little one though. I'll give you a bigger one in a second. It's Uncle Gary's street. Oh, there was another one. Right there. Wave. Say hi.
Hi, Uncle Gary.
Okay.
Uncle Gary's house. Oh.
See?
That's a normal one. I'll take that.
Sometimes they just come out higher pitch and loud. So, let's just talk.
Nope. Oh.
So we went to Wings and Things, but before that we went to Twin Peaks middle school. And then we went to Andre's school. Midland. And
Drop Christian off.
we did our last minute school supplies shopping at Target.
Where?
And now we're going to pick up Bubba baseball. And I have the hiccups. I mean, it's not a big thing, but I wouldn't make it up. I wouldn't try to do this. I mean,
no, some are real, but some do not. Oh.
I know I wish a higher pitch one would come so that I could have it on video and everyone could see that this is the real deal. Like I'm not like on purpose. Oh God, I feel like it's time. Like it's been long enough. Maybe they'll go away.
Yeah.
So here we go. Oh, in 2 minutes and 40 seconds, and
this is the tail end. Oh.
It's not okay. Okay, here's baseball.
Oh.
Hi, Christian. He's still working out. Okay, I'm cutting this off.